the Sealey range of electric vehicle chargers and charging cables. Electric vehicles are becoming an increasingly popular choice of transportation on our roads. Sales figures for new electric vehicles are increasing, whilst those for diesel and petrol vehicles are in decline. Sealey offer an extensive range of electric vehicle chargers and charging leads, specifically designed for keeping your vehicle's battery charged and ready to go. Our EV-PC1 and EV-PC2 are portable Mode 2 EV chargers that simply plug into a suitable RCD 13-amp protected socket using a standard UK 3-pin plug. The other end of their 5-metre lead connects into the electric vehicle's charging socket, enabling the user to take advantage of cheaper off-peak electricity tariffs. Their intuitive LED displays fault codes, charging time, power and temperature displays. We also offer 16-amp and 32-amp 5-metre Mode 3 charging cables. These are typically used for top-up charging EV electric vehicles at home, workplaces or your destination. One end is fitted with a plug suitable for connection into the charge point. The other end of the cable features a Type 1 or Type 2 plug to enable it to be connected to the user's vehicle. Most UK and European vehicles require Type 2 plugs. All our EV chargers and charging cables are supplied in a tough storage case. The Sealey range of electric vehicle chargers and charging cables. More excellent additions to the extensive Sealey range.